Building your home is fairly affordable because it saves you the developer's markup. Constructing your home satisfies your bespoke desires. But all that comes with a few challenges. First, you require a constant flow of income to keep the construction going. Also, you require a lot of patience. And on top of that, you require a bit of time because you'll need to wait until the project conception to the project finishing. And that should be around 4 to 6 months. This unit has been done by 47 Investment. It has been done very well. I love the design and the colors. The cost of construction of this unit was 10.6 million Kenya shillings. We are in Ngong, Olkeri. The unit has been constructed on a quarter of an acre, though the owner instructed us to utilize half of that lot, which is an eighth. The other eighth, as you can see from the other side, will be used by the owner to do some agriculture, because I said we are in Ngong Olkeri, and doing a bit of agriculture here is very necessary. The plinth area of the unit is north of 250 square meters, and the unit is a 4-bedroom, all-ensuite mansion. We are shooting this video a few days to Christmas because the owner of this unit wants to get into the unit during the Christmas season. And because we will be closed, we had to take this video for you to see what the developer has done. The unit requires a bit of TLC, but it is almost complete. I would say 95% complete. It will be done, and when it's done, it will look way better than this. Tell me, what do you think about the facade? This massive window, I think, is the highlight of this unit, and it is acting as a signature point of this home. The designs done by 47 are very, very beautiful to look at. From the main entrance, you have this driveway, and it welcomes you to your parking area, which will be on that side. The owner will add a car shed later, and on this other side, you'll have your front yard, which will be a green space. Kazi bado inaendelea. So, of course, you expect that this will look very beautiful in the future. Let's proceed. From the main entrance, you get a small, beautiful foyer, and this is the first one we have seen in 47 developments. I like it. At least you do not get into the main entrance, unaona TV. You have a bit of space that is separating the living area from the staircase that is taking you to the upper level. You can access the kitchen from here, and on my far front you have the dining area. As you can see, the living room has been done very well. I like the size of it. It's not the biggest, but it is an excellent space for a nuclear family. Big windows to give you enough natural light, and you're getting a double volume to make sure that the unit is well aerated. The living room is opening to the dining area on my far front. I don't know about the proportionalities, but I think this dining area is too big. If you have many visitors and they'll come and eat in your house, this is the excellent space. You would easily do a 12-seater dining set over here. You're also getting a wash basin to make sure that you clean your hands before you eat your food, and you have a window on this side and on the other side to make sure that the dining area is very well lit. I'm loving the ceiling heights, and the gypsum ceilings have been done to the optimum. The dining area is opening to the kitchen. The kitchen is here, very well done, and it is big. As you can see, you are getting a countertop, and this would be an excellent place to do your bar area or a breakfast table. You just need 2 or 3 seats or 2 or 3 chairs over here. Excellent. Let's see the kitchen. Wow, this kitchen comes very gray. If this is your favorite color, I know you love this kitchen. I would prefer white kitchen because I like it sparkling. On this side of the kitchen, this is where you are going to do your cooktop. You can do a 6-burner, an 8-burner, a 2-burner. Depends with how you want to cook in your kitchen. I like it that you are getting grey granite countertops and they are blending very well with the grey cabinetry. On this other side, you have the sink area, which comes with a double sink and a place for you to dry your utensils. Directly next to the window to give you enough natural light to see all the dirt spaces as you're cleaning your utensils. Here you have a door that is supposed to take you to the rear side, and that's where you have the kitchen porch and the kitchen garden. There is another opening that is taking you to the pantry, and the pantry serves two purposes. You have spaces to keep your dry foods, and you have another space that has been left on this side for you to keep your refrigerator. Maybe if you have a freezer, it would easily fit here too. Let's see the garden. Here you have the kitchen porch, which doubles as the laundry area. On my far front, you have the access to your secondary yard, or you can also use this part of the kitchen rear side as the kitchen garden, but you already have a big chunk of land on that other side. The developer has also given you a space where you can keep a tank like this. If you want 20,000 liters, 10,000 liters, 5,000 liters, the developer can always give you a platform like this to keep your tank. What you get as standard is 3,000 liter water tanks, and they will be on the roof deck. We will see that later. This unit also comes with an extra internal laundry room, and this becomes very important, especially during the rainy days. From the kitchen, you have a staircase that is supposed to take you to the upper level. That's where we are heading next. Under the staircase, you have the common washroom, and here you get an opening that is welcoming you to the guest bedroom. Come inside. As you can see, the guest bedroom is big enough for a 5x6 bed, or maybe a 6x6 bed, but you not have to do the side drawers. On my right hand side, you get the closet, two big windows to give you enough natural light, and the bathroom is there. Let's see it. We are in the guest bathroom, and it comes with a space that has been designed for your shower cubicle. You can add a shower curtain over here. At the center, you get a wash basin. Maji ni mzuri sana, very cold from the mountains. And on my far front, you get your WC. A towel holder is very necessary. Now that you have showcased the lower floor of this unit, how do you like it? Would you want a unit like this? If yes, make sure you call 47 Investment Company. The shorter video of this unit will be found in our social media, that is TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. This unit comes with a study area, and this place can also be used as the library or a mini office. I like it that it is also enjoying the double voluminess of the living room, and from here you will be able to peep at your father ukifanya assignment if you are the kid of this unit. The study also enjoys a balcony, and it is giving you the best view of the front yard. This is the first bedroom on this level, and it is targeting your bigger children. You would easily do a 5x6 bed over here. The closet is on my far front, and it has been done excellently. I'm loving that type of wood. The windows are big enough to give you very good views, and you will enjoy the morning sunrise from the east window. The two kids' bedrooms on this level share this bathroom. It is a Jack and Jill. It can be accessed from the first bedroom using that door, and it can also be accessed from the other bedroom using that other door. As you can see, it comes with a space for your showering, a WC at the center, a wash basin which comes with a mirror, and a towel holder. A tissue holder is very necessary also. We will use the other door to access the other bedroom. This is the second bedroom, the tiniest, because it is targeting your tiny children or the children who have not gotten to the teenage age, and it comes with a massive closet. And the reason is because watoto wanakuanga na nguo mingi sana. The bedroom is also coming with two windows to make sure that the kids that will be living in this bedroom will not feel cramped, and also they will be able to enjoy the view of this locality because there is a lot of greenery, and Ngong is very, very beautiful because of the hills, of course. Right now we are in the primary bedroom, and it comes with its closet here. Of all the units that we have done with 47 investment, this is the unit that comes with the smallest primary closet. It is not enough for me. Maybe it will not be enough for you, but this is what you get the standard. So always, ukikuja kwetu sema wakupatie closet kubwa ya master bedroom, because why not? We all love shopping. Though it has been partitioned very well, as you can see, you have some spaces for the foldable clothes, and this other section has been reserved for the hangable clothes. And you have some 2 drawers down there. We are at the sleeping space of the primary bedroom, and it comes with 3 big windows to make sure that you are getting enough natural light. The ceiling heights are very good, and what I want you to see is the highlight of this bedroom. Mambo gani haya? I have not seen such a big bathroom this year. This is where the shower cubicle will be done. As I said, this unit is still in progress. This other side has been reserved for your jacuzzi. This other corner has been reserved for your WC and your tissue holders. And this other space close to the door has been reserved for your wash basin, which comes with a mirror. Excellent bathroom. I would want to shower here hata kama ni siku moja. So if you are the owner, invite me. Ningetaka kuoga. In some of the units that we showcase, you people say tuonyeshe a bit of greenery. We don't want to see the concrete jargonness. Angalia Ngong sasa. Just look at this area. It is so green. You would actually want to live here hata kama ni kwa bed sitter. This is very, very nice place. And the air is very fresh, and the breeze from the hills is just on another level. Right now we are at the roof deck, and it has been done very well. I like it that 47 Investment Company is giving you terrazzo as standard, and this becomes very important, especially during the rainy seasons, because you do not want any of this water pouring here to seep into your unit. So that is a plus if you invest through this contractor. This other side has been reserved to act as your clotheslines area. As you can see, you are getting an external toilet on that side and the standard 3,000 liter water tanks. I like this space because you are getting the best views of the locality. And if you would want Mr. 47 to give you such a unit, you know what to do. As always, this is Mungai Kihara, and you are watching African Real Estate.